Hi, I'm trying to install a Broan 678 with a single switch for the fan and light, no other lighting fixture involved. From the switch I have 2 white wires, 2 black and 1 red. From the Broan I have 1 white and 1 black from the fan, and 1 white and 1 blue from the light. The Broan instructions only has a diagram for separate switches for the fan and the light. I know white goes to white and black goes to black, but what about the blue and red? Thanks.
Hello, my name is I am here to assist you today. I am understanding that you want to connect the fan and light on at the same time. Follow these steps to complete this task. 1. Confirm there is power in the switch box with a VOM. 2. Turn off the power to avoid an electrical shock. 3. Connect the 2 wet wires together in the switch box. 3. Cap off the red wire in the switch box. 5. Connect ground wire to single pole switch. 6. Connect 1. Black wire to gold screw on switch and connect the other black wire to the remaining gold screw. 7. In the fan, cap off the red wire. 8. Connect the ground wire. 9. Connect white wire to white lead from fan. 10. Twist red and blue wire together and connect to black wire from switch box. 11. Turn power back on and test. This will complete your task for turning both the fan and light on off of one switch. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and thank you for allowing me to help you today. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
On step 10, what about the black wire from the fan/light? You already had me cap the red wire. Do I uncap it? The red is capped in the switch box anyway, so it's not sending power anyway.
I made a typo, I'm sorry. Connect the black and blue wire from the fan to the black wire from the switch. Leave the red wire capped off. Please let me know if you need further assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.